Hey there guys, Finn here, the boss. Again, I'm gonna make another respondable video. Jet's here too.
Hi.
He's playing Battlefield right now, so yeah, we're just gonna play respondables. Freaking Earth Day update. So yeah, I guess there's a new event. This Earth Day event. Yeah, my guy looks awesome. He's got a freaking bunny head and stuff. He's got the thumper. Yeah, I played it a little bit. I didn't really check anything out. I got 268 leaves. Shut just freaking ripped apart. Okay, so there's sticky grenades, airsoft SMG, which I heard sucked. And then there's dual wield airsoft SMG, which I heard sucked as well. Yeah, I'm not hearing good things about this game so far. I played it for like a second, didn't even get anything. So far what I've been doing is using the like, shotgun? What are they called? They like confuse your enemy like a flashbang, concussion or whatever. And then you can use the thumper.
Oh, whoa, no way. Hey, guy.
Got fusion. Got a freaking airsoft assault rifle or something.
What, mate?
Really, that didn't kill him? That's bullcrap. He should be dead. Okay, he's dead. I could freaking use that Ghostbusters shotgun thingy for bonus points, but I think that thing sucks. Honestly. Oh god, run, run, run. Wow, he got. I never got that hunter shotgun. I never really cared about the Easter event. I got like some Easter bunny stuff and then just kind of quit. The hunter rifle from the first Easter event was really good though. Wow. I really like that thing. The hunter shotgun's like a long range shotgun, I guess. I don't know. Whoa. Really? Oh, I killed someone? Wow, okay. I'll take it. Yeah. I really don't care about the airsoft SMG because people have said that it sucks, but I've never gotten killed by it or anything. I've never seen anyone using it yet. So I wouldn't know at all. Really made me waste one of my grenades. Because of freaking what I've got left. Killed myself. That's one way to do it, I guess. Nice.
No!
Hey guys, the thumper's probably the best gun in the game. Look at this guy. Crap, I lost 15 points. That's not good at all. I lost 10 actually because I got an extra 5. Oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez. Got him.
Good aim.
Oh dang. Got him too. And I killed myself. The thumper's explosive damage is just crazy. Glad you
Oh, hot hanging boy.
Okay. Yeah. I usually use this armor. I think this is probably the best armor for me. The summer camp armor stuff is good. Summer's almost here actually, which is watch out. Oh, that guy's a really high rank. He had 3 leaves. He's so high right now, man. He has 3 leaves. Like, do you realize how crazy that is? 3 freaking leaves. What is that gun? What gun is that he's using? Oh, it's a machine gun. The machine guns in this game, not gonna lie, suck. Besides the dual wield machines. Those are the only ones. gonna play one more game for you guys. Energy grenade, that's what they're called. Okay, guys, I usually just use energy grenades. Let's play one more match. Everyone in this game's level 50. Really isn't hard to level up in this game. It's actually pretty easy. Sorry if I don't talk too much about videos, guys. I don't really know what to say, but Jet, say something. There you go. You know how many views I'm gonna get just because you said that? That's amazing. Those don't look like airsoft guns. Those look like real guns. They look like vectors. They look really cool. I'm gonna say that right now. They look bomb. But, I mean, people are saying that they suck, so... Jeez, that was a big explosion right there. How did I kill that guy? Oh, I thought he had the anti-explosive armor on. I was like, oh my god. Bro, I just got wrecked. Why? Everyone in this game is wearing, like, bunny heads, including me. It's a good
What are you playing again?
I spit animals. Oh, jeez, where's this guy? Wow, I murdered myself. That's what you get for being a noob and using Thumper, I guess. And if you guys were like, why is he not wearing anti-explosive armor? I don't like it because it's so slow. That's what I have to say about that. I like it fast. Sanic. Oh, God. I shot that little freaking wood thing in front of him and he died. The reload animation for that shotgun looks kind of weird. Oh wow, thanks for making me waste an extra shot. Even though you have like unlimited ammo in this game. I don't really care. Can I energy nade this guy and then just blow him to crap? That's what I like doing. The energy grenades are so good. Oh god, this lag. What is even happening? The game froze. Oh god, are you serious? Jeez, I hate it when that happens. Migration hosts, like, it's stupid, man. $60. I think that's stupid how in a lower rank enemy than you kills you and you lose freaking 15. Like, really? That's kinda dumb. This game can be done, that's for sure. It's kind of like the ninja event, but you don't have to do anything special, you just have to kill people. Really? Again? If these guys would get freaking disconnecting. God. If it kicks me out of the game, I'm gonna be mad, because there'll just be a crash. Okay. Yeah, I killed someone. Oh, that was stupid. I, like, shot far away from him and he died. Oh, I guess it's the Thumper. It has insane damage and explosive. Are you serious? Wow. It kicked me out of the game. Alright, well, I guess that's it for now, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this Earth Day Respawnables video thing, and let me know if you want to see more. So yeah, bye.